Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you how to add AppDelegate class to your SwiftUI project. So this is the easiest and quickest way to do that in your SwiftUI project. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to your structure class which extends app, and here you need to add UI application delegate adapter. And here you need to add your class. So your custom class for AppDelegate. I will, for the simplicity of this video, I will initialize it here. So class my AppDelegate, which extends from NS object and UI application delegate. So this is the class. And here inside your class that extends up, you need to add UI application delegate adapter, my AppDelegate.self, and var AppDelegate. I believe that's it. So inside here in your AppDelegate, what you can do is just use the function that you need. For example, did finish launching with options. This is the class. For example, if you need something like this, or if you need, for example, supported interface orientations, we want to use in this project just portrait mode. That's it. Or what you might also need is var window, UI window, nullable, and here inside did finish launching with options, you can initialize that window. So self.window, and UI window from frame, UI screen dot main dot bounce. So this is everything you need to do in order to make custom AppDelegate and add it to your project like this here. And here basically you can use any functions inside this UI application delegate protocol that you might need. And that's it for this video. Please note that these errors here are from class AppDelegate. So here we made my AppDelegate. This is the class that I initially use inside my project. Here my AppDelegate is just for demonstration purposes to show you how to do something like this. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more useful content about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next video.